Southeast Asia stands out as a vibrant and diverse region, drawing travelers with its rich tapestry of cultures, stunning landscapes, and delectable cuisines. However, navigating through its complexities requires thorough preparation and awareness. This video seeks to offer indispensable guidance for travelers embarking on a journey through Southeast Asia, with our list of top 10 essential tips for traveling in Southeast Asia. From understanding visa requirements to immersing oneself in local customs, these essential tips ensure a safe, enriching, and unforgettable experience in this captivating corner of the world. Whether it's exploring bustling cities or tranquil beaches, preparation is key to unlocking the full potential of a Southeast Asian adventure. Before we get started, if you're looking for more videos on all things travel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn notifications on. Now let's get straight into the video. Number 10. Research and planning. Before setting foot in Southeast Asia, thorough research and meticulous planning are essential for a smooth and enjoyable trip. Begin by researching the destinations you wish to visit, taking into account factors such as weather patterns, cultural events, and safety considerations. Familiarize yourself with the visa requirements and entry regulations for each country you plan to visit, ensuring you have the necessary documentation well in advance. Create a flexible itinerary that allows for spontaneity while also providing structure to your travels. Consider factors such as transportation options, accommodation choices, and must-see attractions. By investing time and effort into research and planning, you'll set the foundation for a successful and memorable journey through Southeast Asia. Number 9. Health and safety. Ensuring health and safety should be a top priority when traveling in Southeast Asia. Start by consulting with a healthcare professional to obtain necessary vaccinations and medications for the region's specific health risks, such as malaria or dengue fever. Additionally, purchase comprehensive travel insurance to cover any unforeseen medical emergencies or trip disruptions. When it comes to food and water safety, opt for bottled or purified water and be cautious of consuming raw or undercooked foods. Stay vigilant against common scams and tourist traps, particularly in crowded areas or tourist hotspots. By prioritizing your health and safety, you can mitigate potential risks and enjoy your journey through Southeast Asia with peace of mind. Number 8. Responsible tourism practices. Responsible tourism practices are integral to preserving the natural beauty and cultural heritage of Southeast Asia for future generations. Respect local wildlife and ecosystems by avoiding activities that may harm or disrupt them, such as feeding wild animals or damaging coral reefs. Minimize plastic usage and waste generation by carrying reusable water bottles and bags and disposing of waste properly. Support local communities and businesses by purchasing souvenirs and services directly from local vendors and participating in community-based tourism initiatives. By treading lightly and leaving a positive impact on the places you visit, you can contribute to the sustainability and conservation efforts of Southeast Asia. Remember that every action, no matter how small, can make a difference in protecting the region's natural and cultural treasures for years to come. Number 7. Packing essentials. Packing smartly can greatly enhance your experience while traveling in Southeast Asia. Start by packing light, as you'll likely be moving between destinations frequently. Opt for breathable and lightweight clothing suitable for the region's tropical climate, along with comfortable walking shoes for exploring urban areas and natural landscapes. Essential items to include in your packing list are sunscreen, insect repellent, and a basic medical kit containing items like pain relievers and bandages. Consider cultural sensitivities when choosing attire, particularly when visiting religious sites or rural communities. Additionally, bring a reusable water bottle to minimize plastic waste and stay hydrated throughout your travels. By packing thoughtfully and efficiently, you'll be well prepared to navigate the diverse landscapes and experiences that Southeast Asia has to offer. Number 6. Transportation. Navigating transportation in Southeast Asia can be both exciting and challenging. Start by choosing reliable transportation options based on your itinerary and preferences. While buses and trains are common modes of transport, consider other options like domestic flights or ferries for longer distances between islands. Familiarize yourself with local transportation systems and schedules, and be prepared for occasional delays or changes. When using motorbike rentals or ride-sharing services, prioritize safety by wearing helmets and verifying the legitimacy of providers. Be cautious of scams, particularly with taxi drivers or tuk-tuk operators, and negotiate fares beforehand when possible. By staying informed and flexible with your transportation choices, you can efficiently explore the diverse destinations of Southeast Asia while minimizing potential challenges along the way. Number 5. Cultural etiquette. Respecting local customs and traditions is paramount when traveling in Southeast Asia. Take the time to learn about the cultural norms and practices of the countries you'll be visiting, including appropriate behavior in various settings. Greeting locals with a smile and a respectful greeting, such as a nod or a bow, can go a long way in fostering positive interactions. Dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites or rural areas, to show respect for local sensitivities. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language, such as greetings and expressions of gratitude, can also be greatly appreciated by the local community. Finally, be mindful of your actions and interactions with others, always demonstrating kindness, patience, and humility as you immerse yourself in the vibrant cultures of Southeast Asia. Number 4. Money matters. Managing finances wisely is essential for a smooth and enjoyable trip in Southeast Asia. Start by researching the currency used in each country you plan to visit and familiarize yourself with current exchange rates. It's advisable to carry a combination of cash and cards for flexibility, as some establishments may not accept cards or have limited card payment facilities. Use ATMs from reputable banks to withdraw local currency, and be cautious of hidden fees or scams. Budgeting for various expenses, including accommodation, transportation, meals, and activities, can help you stay on track financially throughout your journey. Consider using a money belt or hidden pouch to keep your valuables secure, particularly in crowded or touristy areas. By managing your finances effectively, you can make the most of your travels in Southeast Asia without unnecessary financial stress. Number 3. Accommodation choices. Choosing the right accommodation is crucial for a comfortable and enjoyable stay in Southeast Asia. Research and book accommodations well in advance, especially during peak travel seasons, to secure the best options at reasonable prices. Consider factors such as location, amenities, and guest reviews when making your selection. While luxury hotels are available in many urban centres, budget travellers can opt for guest houses, hostels, or homestays for a more authentic experience. Eco-friendly accommodations are also increasingly popular, offering sustainable options that minimize environmental impact. Keep safety in mind when booking accommodations, particularly in remote areas or lesser-known destinations. By choosing accommodation that aligns with your preferences and budget, you can enhance your overall experience and make the most of your time exploring the diverse landscapes and cultures of Southeast Asia. Number 2. Connectivity and communication. Staying connected and effectively communicating while traveling in Southeast Asia is essential for a smooth and enjoyable trip. Obtain a local SIM card upon arrival, or consider activating international roaming services to ensure access to reliable communication networks. This will allow you to stay connected with family and friends, as well as access important information and navigation tools on your smartphone. Utilize maps and translation apps to navigate unfamiliar surroundings and communicate with locals, especially if you don't speak the local language fluently. Additionally, take advantage of free Wi-Fi hotspots available in many cafes, restaurants, and accommodations to save on data usage. By prioritizing connectivity and communication, you can stay informed, connected, and engaged throughout your journey in Southeast Asia. Number 1. Embracing the experience. Embracing the experience is essential for fully immersing yourself in the vibrant cultures and breathtaking landscapes of Southeast Asia. Be open-minded and adaptable to new experiences, embracing the unfamiliar with curiosity and enthusiasm. Engage with locals and fellow travelers, exchanging stories and insights to gain a deeper understanding of the region's rich diversity. Make memories by exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations, trying new foods, and participating in cultural activities and festivals. While embracing the experience, remember to prioritize safety and respect for local customs and traditions. By approaching your journey with an open heart and a spirit of adventure, you'll create unforgettable moments and forge lasting connections in this enchanting corner of the world. Check out this playlist to see more of our top 10 travel picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.